Well, good morning once again from Murrells Inlet. This is Steve with Yakking Inshore, and we are actually going out today of the Hot Fish Club. We'll try to see if we can't get on some more fish today. We really fished some good ones just the other day. On Tuesday we had a good day of fishing. Caught 4 redfish, 114, 115, 121, and 123. And so we kept one for cooking, fried it up last night. Oh, it was awesome good. But anyway, we let the little 23 1/4 inch one go back and the 2 small ones go back. Caught some flounder, caught a nice sized trout. It got off right at the boat as I was trying to get the net under it to get him in, and he spit the hook, and so I lost that one, couldn't count it. But anyway, awesome day though on the water, beautiful day. It's gonna be a beautiful day today. Time right now 7:30. We got an incoming tide. The high tide is going to be about 9:15 today, so we'll be working about an hour and a half of the incoming tide, and try to come in early enough so we can get off the water before the tide dries up. Actually, not draws up, but dries up here in the Hot Fish Club. But hopefully we'll get on some fish here shortly. We're going to start out maybe here in a few minutes to try to post some of this top water action here. See if anything can hit on this. Tried it the other day and just no luck with it, but we're going to try a little bit today and see what happens with it. There he is. I got him that time. Got that bad boy on the top water. Oh, I had him, dadgummit. Doggone it, I had that rascal. Man. There he is. There he is. What is that, blue? Calm down, you crazy nut. You're missing my whole stuff up here, you crazy nut, you. Crazy old bluefish, you. Get out of here. Get out of here. What it is, but not nothing big, that's for sure. Not nothing big, that is for sure. He's going to pull a little harder now. Yeah, whatever it is, I'm going to pull a little bit harder. Let's see if I can get my net ready. I can get my net ready. Oh, yes, a flounder. Yes, a flounder. Yes, it is. He's coming over here. Got you that time, boy. Got you that time, boy. Let's see what we can do now. I need to get back over here. Yeah, I need to get back over here, Dad. Come over here. Let's see what we got here now. Oh yeah, he looks like a pretty good size flounder. He's gonna be close to keeping. He'll be close to keep size. Close to keeper size. There we go. Put that in there. Let's see if we can get him a poor measure. If we can get him up on there and measure him up. About lost him. About lost him. Yes, you are. You want to float around like a wild maniac, man. Oh man, you're 16, dude. You are 16. You are a keeper, buddy. You are a keeper. Yes, you are. Well, there he is. I ain't gonna let a chance of letting him lose him again, but there he is. Got him on that kicker crab. Z-Man kicker crab. Not too bad there, boy, didn't I? That's a teeny flounder right there now. That's what you call a teeny flounder. Get on up here in the boat, boy. Where'd your other eye go? You only got one eye? Flounder with one eye, not on the other side. Let's not move all the way yet.